Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the solution to the problem find largest value in each tree row. A nice simple problem for Christmas, single sentence of a statement. This is a basic problem that you can solve using recursion on the tree. So you write a function and that function you will run on the root, and whenever you visit a node you also visit its left and its right children. Now we want to generate a list that contains the largest value at every tree level. So we'll have that list. Whenever we see a new node at a given level, so we know that we have to remember the level that we're currently at in our auxiliary function, we either add it as the first node of that level, so if the length of our current result is less than or equal to level, then we have to add essentially a new value because it's the first node on that level that we have visited. And so this is actually the largest value that we've seen on that level. Otherwise, we take the maximum of what we've previously seen and the current value. Very simple. Of course, we have to deal with running out of, so leaving the tree. So if the node is none, we don't have to do anything. And of course, since we are keeping track of level, we start at level 0, and whenever we recurse deeper into the tree, the level increases by 1. At the end, this list res has our results. Merry Christmas, everyone.